Perhaps pound for pound, the most nutritional fish species to stock as forage. Today we're stocking rainbow trout here in central Kansas, and it's a lovely 40-degree weather afternoon, and yeah, let's get to going. Rainbow trout are the best forage fish to stock in your trophy bass lake, and you know, pound for pound, easily, you know, way better than bluegill. It takes, they say, 10 pounds of bluegill for a bass to grow 1 pound. Well, it only takes all right, as promised, we have 6 reasons why you should stock fingerling rainbow trout in your ponds. The first one is they have a very high lipid content. They, you know, have very high energy output for the bass, so it's just really good for them during the winter time. Instead of, you know, expending extra energy for their metabolisms processing lots of proteins, it's a little harder thing to process. Number 2, they are soft rayed, which their bones are a lot softer than bluegill is, and it's just a lot easier for them to digest soft rayed, soft bones. Also, number 3, they are torpedo shaped. You know, they have a much, you know, smaller depth profile versus a bluegill. It is much easier for a bass to capture and consume and swallow the prey, swallow the rainbow trout versus a, you know, a very deep shaped bluegill. Number 4, they are more active and more available as bass forage during the winter time. And even if they don't all get eaten up during the winter time, they will be there in the spring, and when temperatures are reaching 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, they'll become lethargic and become just devoured by all the bass, and that'll allow the bass to have just tons of fat reserves going into the spawning season, or coming out of, depending on where you're at. Number 5, they have a superior conversion efficiency. They say that 10 pounds of bluegill will grow 1 pound of bass, but only 5 pounds of rainbow trout to grow a bass 1 pound. So there you have it. That's my 6 reasons why you should stock rainbow trout in your trophy bass lake. If you like what you saw, if you like what you heard, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel today. And thanks for joining. Have a great day. That's all.